Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Warino the Carry Last TV. So guys, in today's video I will be leaving for you guys how I will be watching it together with you guys. But before then, if you know you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell. Okay guys, see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.
Onye bụ Nnamdi Kanu obi lewasịrị ya, ọ na-ele ya wawawa osendroi. Onye bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ a very stubborn person. Na ọ bụ na ịfụrụ ya n'iru ya nwere ike ideceive chana oge iwe wee nye oge okwube okwu ịmalụ na a very stubborn person. Ọ chọrọ ife bụ na ife abịa ọ kwetara na ya ga drive gị dị echi igbu egbu onye dị ya. Ọ ife ọ kwetara. Oh, if ever tell you where form onya. If you form onya organization, bona before you more organization na. Oh, well, I am up sina. Obinele wa. Obinele oku. Condition ndi Igbo no. Ni atoria. We me pifa na po masobo. Na 1999. Obepe masobo. Ndi mara joya. Kedizi na ko osifa na ife o na-ekwu okwu bụ na ọnọdụ Nigeria no. N'ọdụrọzi mma. Ni achozi. Ka ndị Igbo na-alụ onwe fa ụmụ Igbo gee ya ntị nye kọọla anyị etu o si adị ọkọwasị abasịa ọ ga ebe ịkwụ ka anyị ga-akwụ carry go, we stand by you. Afia bụ Raf Ụwazulike owe fọm ife a na-akpọ Movement for Actualization of Sovereign State of Biafra. Fọm ya ma Anambra ma Imo, Enugu, Ebonyi, ife a niile Abia, ụmụazị Aba, oyo bụ na ebuli ya n'isi Rivers State nya the entire Biafra land. Ewe gbagide dị egwu ndị ka na-anwụkọsị ụmụ Igbo na-atụ n'ime na-apịagbu ndị a na-apịagbu na-agbagbusi ndị mmadụ na-atụ ndị mmadụ nga. The man ekwechiri na ife ọchọ bụ masobu. Obasanjo abụrụ ezigbo mmadụ. Obasanjo abụrụ onye kwesịrị ịpụta taa ọ na-plead case ndị Igbo. Fonu m ụmụasị na-amara ife a na-akọ make I tell you nke nji anya m wee fu no be say dem tell me. Obasanjo fili ụmụasị ba mfisa sị ife a na-akpọ ịfụ nke afara ibekwu. Nke afara ibekwu ka ịfụ because na agbanyela ya n'ọkụ. Oge nke a na-eme nwere ọkụ, nwere ebe a na-agbanye ya n'ọkụ. Ọ ife Punch gwa gị, ife Champion gwa gị, ife Sun gwa gị, the Vanguard fa. Ọ ife fa kwu ka ị ga-anụ. You no go hear kpakam. Etu a ka esi pịagbugide tụba ndị mmadụ nga megide fi jegide lue na nkịsị prison. Nna ụmụ Igbo jụrụ ebe ụmụ Igbo echienu n'ala. Gịnị ka ime? Masob everywhere. Ijegide luo na Ụmụahịa etu a, Owerri etu a, Enugu akụchisicha ụmụazị be anyị. Esi Anambra gburugburu ebunagha Enugu je tụọ ọgụ side a, ebuteghị n'Enugu atụnagha Abịa. Etu a ka esi eme ya. Today mụ na gị nọ after much. Obasanjo ga-apụta wee na-plead case anyị na-ege ya ntị. Mana anyị nwekwa ndị nke anyị ga-plead nwu case anyị. Obasanjo zi ka anyị na-ene ya ka o kwuo. Obasanjo ụmụ Igbo ogbulu egbu ịmagụnwu ya ọnụ. Businesses ndị Igbo akụchi ịmagụnwu ya ọnụ. Anything of Second Niger Bridge abụ mgbe aka ekwubere ya lue taa. Ndị mmadụ ewe megide ife niile ome ndị mmadụ believe na Raf until emegide gọọmenti wee nwudi ya etu a ya si wepụta Nnamdi Kanu na mana nke Nnamdi Kanu bụ na foreign country ewe tụọ ọnya nga. Ebe niile emesịrị the man apụtazi ajụ oyi dream ya otu aka dream ya si wee nwụọ. Ụmụ Igbo na-anya si ka esi aghọ gịnị na-emezi na aghọta achịkwa ife na-eme na aghọta achịkwa ụmụ Igbo wee Nnamdi Kanu wee si ebe a wee pụọ wee mepee nkie ni weruzie extra ginger bido nkie. Ndị niile nọkwa fụrụ nke ni iwe na-ewetu nke nsi anwụ wee mabatakwa n'ọlụ a si a na ginger a ka anyị weli achụbịa 2012 a Nnamdi Kanu ebido okwu ya ginger ahụ na-ejinja ị na-esi asị na ife ọ na-eme dị gị mma ka ị banyere ya n'otu ya ije ebe a banye. Etu a bụ na-enwere ife a na-akpọ IPOB worldwide taa. IPOB worldwide a Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na champion. Gịnị ka ọ na champion? kedu ife a na-afụ taa? Ife ọ na champion bụ 1 na ọ bụrụ na mpụta wee sị na mbụ onye Biafra na a ga-agba m egbe. For that, kama m ga-apụta ka agba m egbe, onye ọbụla nọrọ n'ụlọ ka anyị malife na-eme. First debido nọba n'ụlọ 30th May, which means ndị niile egbu n'agha Biafra ka anyị chetafa 30th May a ịsọsidi godina ka eme ya observe na ala Igbo riri isi ndị mmadụ. O nwere ebe ọbụla ị ga-esi tinye aka na anya bụ Biafra ka ọ hapụ iri isi mmadụ ga-ada. Enere m anya wee kwuo wee sị na m ada amaba n'ife m aghọtara ọfụma na m ama abịa ọntị m aghọta ya ọfụma. Iwe sị m na iwu mekata na mbata mee wee ka malife didi ya nsị oke mbata ka malife didi ya na m ada abata na gị mebegonu nọlụ n'ụzọ n'efi maka na otu a ka ọ dị ihe niile a na-eme eme. O nwere ndị chọrọ ịma efi ị na-eme ka afikene ka isi eme ya, ọ gabazi efe wee tinye isi fa nwere ike tinye isi bịa ba mebie elu ga-emebie, nwe ike tinye isi mee ya ọ ga-afa. Ị ga-eprove onwe gị ife ọbụla ị na-eme. You must prove yourself because na onwere ife ọbụla ị na-eme ama na-enwe checking a ga-akwụ ya aka ka amalụ ma ọkwụ. Ọ bụzie na akwa aga aka ịrapụ ịgbadosi ngalaba ike tụgharịa ka ịkọba ọnụ ịbụ idiot. You must fail. Nnamdi Kanu kwuru wee sị ndị Naijiria na ife ọ chọrọ bụ na ya chọọsị ịbụ ya Naijiria na ya chọrọ referendum ka e nwee Biafra. 1 ka anyị debeta point. Kedu ka isi ya score such point with federal government na abụrụ anytime ọ bụ na ikwuru okwu na ịchọrọ ife gbasalụ ka ị nọ ọrụ onwe gị ekpolu ndị amị kponye gị. Try wee nebe anya since 1960 ife niile na-achị Anambra steeti je lue taa nkwa ka a na-ekwe ọma na abịa ekwe gị nkwa na a ga-emelụ nke a gị don't worry. Icheki ya steeti anyị since Imo steeti siri aka nna ukwu kedu nke izi chiri Sam Mbakwe. Since Imo steeti pụ n'aka Sam Mbakwe lue taa Imo steeti achịtaba anyị ọ just nọrọ like this. Development ị na-afụ n'Owerri bụ ụmụazị jere awe jee chụta ego bịa develop Owerri. Despite those boys onwere nothing. Amara Imo State as a business place. Ya ka eji mezi ya hospitality. Ụmụazị niile kpatara ego na awe a na-ebutezi ya n'Owerri. Onye abụ n'Owerri efe taa dịtụka Owerri. Despite it, Owerri onwere ya na-eme dia. Ada abịa na East gụba ndị nwa dọba na ego na-emesife ike ka akpọnye Owerri. Ada akpọnye Owerri. If you want to tell yourself truth, ikwu onwe gị eziokwu. Ibe a na-eje n'Owerri bụ ka eje gba ngwọrị. That's all. Igbo dị many states. Nke a bụrụ ngwọrị. Enugu steeti, amara Enugu steeti ese ebe a na-ebute ego bife ndị na-eme. Efere Enugu na ndị ọrụ oyibo. Ego ndị Enugu bụ ego agụrụ ọnụ salary. Ejiri amalụfa. Ejiri amalụ Enugu. Ebiazie na Anambra anụ ọba Abịa. Abịa si na Anambra industrial state Abịa. Jee na ife apịtọgido ga Abịa, pịtọgide Abịa, pịtọluo onye to the point na nwere ike ịpụtara ị na-aga na-ekpuchi aka n'imi ikpuru nose mask ka asị na COVID nọ dị a. Ebe ndị na-esi isi no road ụmụazị afrokwu ebe si eje akwụkwọ. Gọvanọ anọrọ dị a na-eri ego ọ ife ndị a niile ka Nnamdi Kanu na-esiri ya wee sị anyị achọrọ nye anyị referendum, we want to go. N'owu Igbo eso n'onye isi kpọrọ oku wee sị na ọ bụrụ na IPOB na formula as a political organization to fight these people. IPOB si men nwakwara nwekwuo onye kwuo na adị eweji ọnụ dị a na factual politics Nigeria rọ dị dirty na ife achọrọ bụ sovereign state nsifa sharp. Emesi nkwuesi Anambra ya etu ozibe adị ọ bụ na achọba dị onye kwesịrị ịba siti na ekwanụ candidate asị men nwakwara nwekwuo onye na achọrọ election na Anambra steeti nsifa o ekwulekwu bụ ekwulekwu ife ọbụla ekwu ka anyị mee nya maka na ife eji malụ ndị Igbo anyị kpuo na echi na anyị na-eje na ife anyị cha anyị kọlụ jebe datin mana Igbo mụ na gị nọ taa bụ nke bụ na ama ekwe wee sị n'ụtụtụ echi na onwerekwa onye ga-apụ 4:30 ụfọdụ ebulugo kpafa na-amịpụsị one by one gị na nwanne gị ya eje nta mana ọ sịkwala ọkpa anyị dịka ụkwụ anụ based on ife nji malụ Nnamdi Kanu abụrọ bụ Nnamdi Kanu as a coward. Onye ọbụla akpọrọ coward ọ na-ewe iwe mana mmadụ ga-akpọ gị coward akpọ gị coward jene n'onwe gị ịma ma ebu coward ka ọ na-ebro since anyị Igbo bido ife a na ọbụ negotiation gọvanọ nke bata okweghị nkwa ọ ga-emere gị enumelu gị ana oje dị ọlanye gị ejima n'afọ ọ rapụrụ gị awa nke bịakwa ọlanye gị ejima n'afọ ọ rapụrụ gị ọwa emelụ post ife gbasalụ child grant ụfọdụ abịa ịgba wọọ maka na ife anyị dịdebe mmụ ya bụ ịgba wọọ ị nwere fact to counter ife onye ahụ kwu mụ na gị maalụ na onye Igbo bụ onye ga-abụ ji ịnụ nwaanyị wee nụ na nwa diked ọ na-eje ịnụ na ọmụgo nwa ọgbafue go marry am again. So the whole girl se mụrụ nwa n'ụlọ megodu ntakolu on one side nke a bụ ife gbasara mụ na gị ọ bụ na anyị ga-agwa nwa eziokwu ya gwa nwa eziokwu some bụ ndị a natụrụ ọchụ n'ike onwe ndị rape fa wee nọrọ na that condition. Some kịta bụ single mothers bụ condition ọjọọ ka fa ji bụ single mothers fa wee nwere oge fa ji wee volunteer to be a single mother. Ọ bụrụ every divorcee nwaanyị ọbụla efo the bad some men bụ ajọ mmụọ n'onwe fa. Ọ bụ nwanne gị ka aja jedebe n'ụdị ọnọdụ a chikọnye ụmụazị ịtọ nke nwa saịdị ga-adọrọkwudo mma nwanne gị anụrụ isi anụrụ di ya ka egbuo ya ọ tinye na ya gba emezi ka ya na ọ nata befa gọọmenti kwesịrị sọpọtụ ya na ụmụ ya ka ị na-agba m mgba na efe a bụ ime ndị be anyị na fama na adịzi dị this and that nwoke m ihe na-eyuzukwe sensị gị mgbe ụfọdụ ị ga-emezi na ga-enwe ndị ga-adị lezi wee wụọ many people mmadụ onye ka ị na-enye ndị na East a ị ma many girls na-ata afụ na East a bụ single mothers na-anụrụ ọdụ di idebe arụ n'ibi na Amerịka nke gị ya ọdịdị iche na nke ndị ọzọ bi Europe nke gị ọdịdị iche na nke ndị ọzọ bi adịghị na afọ nwe dị too special you know na East ya you don't understand them and for most of you na asị m come back to Anambra and do this ọ bụrụ na ịmalụ onye bụ ezu ụmụ iyo ịmalụ na o nwere anywhere m na Nigeria m na-ezo eru m wherever I enter I make live video. When I was in Enugu I was there making a live video. When I entered Anambra, Imo, anywhere Angel, I will tell you I am here. If federal government come against me, the problem of Nigeria will still not cease. The problem will continue. Has the problem abated? The problem is still there. So, if you are a coward, I am not one like you. That is me. If you are a coward, I'm not one like you. The only thing no drag him close to Nandekano but that lion heart and nothing more. I'm going to give you what he's asking for. I myself on my own, I'm still asking for the same thing. That is the only way out of this shit. Enough. Last year, I came out and said, Biko ndo mazba na kpo no na egbe ndị abụbịa kale. Biko ka ọnwa agafe, ndị IPOB gbara m mgba to the last. Na madons na spirit ndị mmadụ, na madons na spirit ndị mmadụ, this and that nsibu na-ewe n'iwe. Si jebe. Onye agbalụ n'oya. Mmu emechikwa na echikwe. You don't want to talk about video na nke nkwulekwu ijụrụ ajụ. Elu okita, ife niile ha na struggle gide. Ejidego Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, the worst insult enyelu ndị Igbo. By ofu onye nwa ndị Igbo ji eme ọnụ, ofu onye megodu ka a na-etinye kesi ndị Igbo ọnụ. Ofu onye mere eji etinye kesi ndị Igbo ọnụ, a na-ebutenu kesi ndị Igbo na National Assembly anyị, wee kwuo okwu ndị Igbo abịaba na National Assembly Nigeria, ọ wee bụ na UN. Ndị Igbo gbagotesi n'ọkwa, onye ọbụla akọgodu kọtọsi agha gị bebe ihe gbasa, you know consign them. Onye life odigo mma. Oh, if Nnamdi Kanu puta. And somebody like me, if I'm puta to tell you that for me, Abangena this year was Biafra Abonya Kobu to me. That's why most times I don't like discussing it. He just working on my emotions. He told Apum Nozo. Okay, Salomona go because I was quiet. Now I rap marker. He didn't set that 1970. On a wemi rap marker ejo. Ibonye na mkita we na agwasi na ife na check ebo etu oge si aga ka ara person ese na who be that person ota ka osiba na ese ibo oge ojikube na ese izili ime ogba ga egbe ijoro olu oyibo gote moto pụọ n'ụzọ nata Nigeria igwuchalu mmiri niile igwu n'obodo oyibo taa afụ niile daga ndị eke nata Nigeria gro moto before isi na Lagos State na apụta Bini agbagbuo na gị Points ni na muna ke ma line ebela akwa. From Lagos to Tollgate, Kige wanted nothing less than 105 checkpoints. The only place in Batalu Southeast. To extort you and to still make you see yourself, neighbor, a low-class citizen in this country. This thing been feeling a fight since you have been waiting for an opportunity like this. Listen, don't cry for me. If they kill me, Biafra will come closer. Now, Nnamdi Kanu has entered into their hands. Fine. You took their matter to UN. You took their matter to ECOWAS. You took their matter everywhere, ICC. Kenya was involved because of their collaboration with federal government of Nigeria. For now, they don't know what next to do. If was in HR, election in Anambra State, you will become a candidate. Nobody should vote. Sharp, nobody should vote. He went Potassiano. Where to Lapum, where Semunoka federal government. One if you want them marble, enter house. Sit at home, or if you want them model. It doesn't matter. This year, I know. Or where Kami Bula, what you Babatana, Wapatagani low, give out to our. You are safe inside your house. Tabu equal 50 to 10. You are safe in your house. That is a matter. Go and do to election. I am a one day mother. Still, I get book here. It's not the first time people begin people. Why are you suddenly afraid of people? Since when? Since when? Since when? Okay, attack people again people. 2001, 2002, 2003, as a Biafran. Don't think that because they IPOB, they can learn your brand Nanibo. It's a lie. And well, many other groups. And well, a lot of groups. And well, so many people. Now, show this Biafra. Don't see yourself as more superior. This crowd, they for the IPO people, they are all looking up to Master Nnamdi Kanu because of his spirit. He has woken them up. First, hey, nah, I ain't playing asu. So now, already, I want to get his wall on the side. Kita get test, Kamalo, how strong you are. Can you feel the moon? Or be live under the shadow of Onyisi, Onyendu? What can you do now? You are standing. Give on. Oh, yeah, take decision. Take that decision. Now, if I'm a good servant, a good assistant, that in your absence I can deputize and nobody will know in Orodia. And when I if I'm a sensible, one wahala to the other, one wahala to the other. Native will sit at home. On your own guarantee. Sit at home or bless success. To the point that today, the federal government have forgot that. Now the entire Biafra land, nothing will on with the IPOB. It to a case of fear. You will question that if you don't release my leader, if you don't release him on or before 4th, I will shut down the entire Southeast to prove a point. On that day, the entire Southeast abandoned or don't goes down. Who is that candidate you want to favor? Why? Telling me, Kenya APC, who cares? Who cares? Even if Anambra State to Nanaka APC. APC can take Anambra State. It doesn't matter. Let them do whatever they want to do with it. Because you told me from beginning you are not interested in Nigerian politics. I asked you, can we join politics so that we can sweep the entire Southeast from grassroots where nobody can prescribe IPOB? We'll stand as a political organization. As a political, you said no, you don't want to get involved with politics. Today, you are telling me, okay, everybody can still go and vote. For what? Vote who? The same people who have continually dragged you into the mud. Those ones you cannot even access. They move with sophisticated security and they left you porous. They left you, you are just there. No, nothing to secure your life. Have you suddenly forgot your mothers who got raped in the farm? Have you suddenly forgot your sisters who were killed in the farm? Have you suddenly forgot how they use their cattle to destroy our crops? Who made you this, DOS, whatever you are called? Today, election is ongoing in Anambra State so that people would still continue being slaves to these politicians. And this is what we've been crying for. I mean, what are you telling me? You think I'm a fool? You are asking me because I'm not at home. I am at home. I am everywhere. I am all over. It doesn't matter. What matters is, can my people hear my voice? That's the essence of social media, to pass a great message. Here we pass a message of hope. I want to tell you as an IPOB member, don't lose hope. Nnamdi Kanu will not die. He will come back and strengthen you again. That is one thing I'm telling you. Don't look upon anybody. Anybody can be compromised at any time. But look upon your master, your leader, who is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. One day he will surely be free. Freedom will come. Mandela, he spent 27 years. He did not die. He came out and his dreams was actualized. He saw a sovereign Biafra, South Africa, where a black man cannot be judged anymore by the color of his skin in the South African Republic. Yes, go to all important offices in South Africa today, you find black people. The biggest township in the whole Africa is called Soweto, Southwest Township. It's located in the south of Johannesburg. Soweto, that was the dream of a black man, Mandela. Go to Alex and go to some other places. You find black people today. When you talk like, they will tell you, hey, go back to your country. They fought for it. They died for it. It was an ideology which was championed by people who have something sitting up here in their minds, in their brains. What are you not telling me about Anambra State? Let them go and vote so that the federal government will not hold you accountable over whatever will happen. What will happen that has not happened? Do you think that heaven will fall? If heaven falls, it didn't start today. It has been fallen. Do you know how many people that got gunned down in Anambra State? What about Dr. Ezenwa? They killed him. What about Dr. Akunyele? They killed him. What about the rest of the people they murdered simply because of this Anambra State election? Who were, after all, who were doing all these things? Who was behind it? It was the same politicians. You are asking your people to go and vote. What right are you saying they want to go and exercise? Who has a right in Anambra State? Who has a right in Southeast? Who has a right in the entire Biafra land? What are you not telling me? We have been suffering. We have been suffering. The man of the year, Obiniye Wukubana, my own brother. Look at the way they took him to go and sleep in the cell of the EFCC for 3 days. Who knew what went down? Finally, we are glad that he came back. How many people has the EFCC invited from up north? Who and who? Are you not in this country? Are you not in this planet? Where are you residing? What changed? What changed now? What changed? You should be ashamed. I told you people, don't waken me up. If you say that this should be white, let it remain white. I am resolute. And I buy the spirit of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Time will come when you will know that it's not about being a member of IPOB. It's about what are you bringing to the table. What are you able to do? Is that I'm an IPOB? You are binded by oath. What oath? I don't even need any oath to have an agreement with you, brother man. I don't need an oath to be in agreement with you. Let us say the word. This is what I learned from my ancestors. Say the word. Stand by your word. Whiter than white, slower than slower. Practice what you preach. Let's see it. 2017, the same thing happened. 2 days to election. People were asked to go and vote. With what? They were not registered for the fact that you told them not to go and register. That there should be no election in Anambra State. And it was like that. And this time around, you see that government has no other option. That bringing the military into our streets has even worsened the situation. It has put them in another spotlight because the world are watching. You only have to blow the trumpet. Let the world hear you out and see how the military, how the zone is militarized. Somebody like Chukwuemeka Zife, he came out and he was telling the federal government that bringing the military to our streets is worsening the situation. Demilitarized Southeast. Release over 5,000 people, suspects of IPOB in your detentions. This is what Chukwuemeka Zife was asking for. Finally, you, decision-making body, telling me it came from upper echelon. What echelon? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can never take any accurate decision as long as he's up there or in there in the DSSL. He has landed something here. He has planted something which you are just there to nurture. Nurture his ideology. That's all you are called for. Not to bring in your own. What are you bringing? You think that Biafra is about speaking English or going to school. It's not about school. You put on your spectacles, you are speaking good English. For what? Biafra doesn't need English. What Biafra needs is freedom. Who is deceiving who here? So you want me to say something tomorrow? You say I'm accusing you. If you see it as an accusation, it's up to you. Go to all the 21 local government of Anambra State. Go there and show me the legacy of APGA. What has APGA done? APGA is living, giving us another APGA, the worst to come. Birds of the same feather. Peter Obi gave us what we consider the worst. And now the worst is presenting something to you. Can the devil give you anything good? Will you keep quiet? Look at APC. APC that has damaged the reputation of Nigeria. APC, the worst party ever, is now coming to give you a candidate, a man who has a rotten, oh my God. Anjuba and the brother. You know what they did in Anambra State in 2003. 10th of July or June 2003 when they kidnapped a sitting governor. You heard about it. They even set Anambra government house ablaze. They went to ABS and got it burnt. The man came there to tell you that it never happened. How many people did Obasanjo kill? 70 something. He was there, he didn't say anything. He went to secure their dead bodies to hand over to the family. Did you probe what happened? Why they killed your brothers? Why would you be there in somebody's cabinet? A killer, somebody who has killed your brothers. You are still serving in his cabinet. You came out today to proudly tell us you went to secure the dead bodies. Are you not ashamed? This is the same person coming out again. And when I say, hey, don't do that, you are telling me simply because you want to gain one or two from him. It means that you are part of the problem of Biafra, not IPOB, nor Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You are part of the problem. You don't want us to come together and fight these menace. Sorry, my peeps, I'm sweating. Let me put on my AC, please. Sorry, please. Thanks for holding on for me. What are we not saying? Are we not seeing the truth? You are working with your brother. You are working with your brother. Your brother in turn suspects you, saying that you look at your legs like this and this animal we are pursuing. I mentioned Jesus Christ. Some people say, look at you. You are the same man who said 3 years ago there was nothing like Jesus Christ. What? Listen. I don't owe you any apology. If you don't know what is plagiarized, if you don't know what that stands for, it's your business. But even I use it to quote what's happening, whether I believe it or not. Where I come from, I know what is personification. We talked about the tortoise, how the tortoise became the most wisest of all. But nobody had ever seen the tortoise speak. So you don't fault that. You just want to quickly come and fault Jesus. It's part of the problem we're having. We cannot deal with the situation at hand. We leave it and start talking nonsense. The same way we left Biafra issue, left our freedom, left Nnamdi Kanu in detention cell. We are busy talking about BB Niger. We are busy talking about Tonto Dike. We are busy talking about Omogri. We are busy talking rubbish. When I come out to make Umuiyo to be happy, you come here to disturb me. Why don't you talk about Biafra? This and that. Now Biafra is here. Where are you? You are still fighting. You are confused. You don't know what to do. Onye chi mmadu na ani. Inata nwuri ya mma. Iji odogwu na ani. Inata nwuri ya mma. Odogwu bini oto enwe ife ọ ga-eme. I'll put it, maybe you don't understand. When you are holding a warrior down and you are unable to disarm him, take the sword from him. Don't worry. By the time he stands up, you wonder what will happen to you. The federal government is confused. People are on their necks, breathing down their necks. Hey, why are you still holding this man? UK is making inquiries. US is making inquiries. Everywhere. And you have said it, this is how it will be. All of a sudden you change. And tomorrow you think that United Nations will take you serious? You think that US will take you serious? What they are waiting for is action. Action, that's all. Take a step. Take a step. Take a step. You never know where your step will land you. It might land you into freedom. It might land you in a better stepping. What are you not telling me? You keep saying, so as not to endanger your people. What people? Do you have people? Who are the people? The same people who cannot gain anything from the government. The same people who doesn't even have access road. The same people who are denied right to life. They don't have water. No hospital. Forget what you are seeing in Ebonyi State, and the governor of Ebonyi State keep making you believe in rubbish. It's only in Ebonyi, that Abakaliki you see flyover, which they use generator to power. He's doing this, he's doing that. Go to the rural areas, people are dying every day. No access to hospital. You can't speak because you don't want the governor to come for you. Where is the life remaining? Let them come. Take me. I'm finished. You are feeling fine wherever you are. You don't care about these people. Even you that will come and tell me, where are you? Where are you? I am more relevant to those ones at home than you. I know how much I have taken from my wallet, how much I've taken from my people here to go and reach out to them. Those ones who are stranded in the hospital. I have done that. Show me your own. What have you done? How have you influenced the life of those Biafrans? Look at Soludo. Soludo Apga. Apga, vote Apga. I will do this. Oga, being a professor doesn't make you a better person. If you have your people at heart, we would have seen the legacy you left. Central Bank governor without achievement. All the money they gave to you to build 1 or 2. How far? For how many years now? What have you done? Let them vote me. When they vote me, I will be able to bring the intellectuals. Everybody will come and invest. Invest where? Forget about your broadband. It's unachievable. You cannot achieve it in Nigeria. You can't. Stop lying to people. Don't tell them what you cannot do. This is the problem they have. When you guys paint your words. I saw somebody campaigning for APC saying we will go to the grassroots and teach them in the language they will understand. They need money. We will give them money and they will clapping. They will come and give you 4,000. BDP gave 4,000. I wonder how much they will give you. Maybe they will come and give you 500. 500 for 4 years. You are not even ashamed of yourself. This is what Nnamdi Kanu was speaking against. And today you have not even said anything. Tell the world, bring your matter to the world. Tell them what it is. You can't speak. Simon Eba came out to speak. You must come and take oath. You that is under oath, speak. It's not about oath. It's about ifimemu. It's about ifimemu. Each government now, you know you don't want them to say na IPOB burumado, which can IPOB burumado. But when I'm on IPOB IPOB by knife, they all know. That government knows. Why is your government to Pugoluano? The governor of Anambra State came and said that whatever is going on in Anambra State should not be blamed on IPOB. That is the politicians. They have redeemed you. You can use it as a tool anywhere you go. Today you are afraid. And the people, why don't you look at the people? They saw that the voice of the people is the voice of God. The people we want to stay. Give us Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Leave me alone. Give me Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere. Give me Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. For 2 months now, people have been sitting at home every Monday. And now 5 days, they said he's a welcome one. If they don't give us Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are not going anywhere. At the dying minute, you came here and said that if anything happens, Oga, what do you plan to happen? What do you plan? Nothing will happen that has not happened. Wherever, even somebody was shot. Somebody was shot in the name of unknown gunmen. On getting there, it happens to be a DSS. DSS. What does that show you? God keep vindicating you from time to time. Go ye there. Let me tell you that the land of Jerusalem does not belong to Israel, according to the Bible. It belonged to the Jebusites. David conquered and took over. Make a move. Take over what belongs to you. Take over your territory. Take over everything you own. And now you say you don't want your enemies to say you did this, you do that. How do you want to score a point if you don't take a step? You think it's all about talking on social media. You think it's all about speaking English. It doesn't end there. Oh God, it doesn't end there. Take a step. Kemo action. Before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu left Nigeria, whether he ran or he disappeared, he was seen talking, walking. Even though they said, you don't want to see more than 10 people around you, you are restricted not to go. He says, open. Go and sit down. Onye mete na nwa agụ nọ n'ụla. Agụ na-abịa Onye mete na nwa agụ nọ n'ụla. Mgbe nwa agụ ga-abịa agba n'ọsọ. Onye metelu nwa agụ nọ n'ụla. Agụ na-abịa Onye metelu nwa agụ nọ n'ụla. Mgbe nwa agụ ga-abịa agba n'ọsọ. This message must go to the ends of the world. Let the whole world hear today what the king of Iyo Nation is saying. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must come out. Let the federal government release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He is not their problem. All he's asking for, he's not saying destabilize Nigeria. He's saying give us a referendum. It is not the first time we see referendum. Adamawa today came into existence from Cameroon territory into Nigeria because of referendum. It's not the first time. Many nations of the world has gone through that lane. We are not the first people. He is not asking for too much. Release him. When I was citing the Bible, listen and listen good. Peter, immediately Jesus died. Peter did not go anywhere. Neither do you see all the apostles going anywhere to preach. They were gripped with fear. They couldn't go out to preach. They were together in one place. It got to a point. Remember that Jesus said, don't go anywhere. The Holy Spirit, I will send the Comforter in the person of a Holy Spirit. And when the Spirit is come upon you, you shall be a witness in Jerusalem, in Judea, in Samaria, and unto the utmost part of the world. Finally, the Spirit came upon them on the Pentecost day. Afterwards, they still remained in Jerusalem. The word was not going anywhere. The gospel was not preached. It was just within their circle. It doesn't stop there. It later happened that Barnabas came on board. Stephen came on board. Paul came on board. And then the message began to go from border to border. He went to India. He went to everywhere. It is not about IPOB. It's all about the ideology of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But Simon Ekpa says, I am not IPOB, but I am a disciple of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu even trusted a disciple to say, carry on my good word. Carry on. Take over. Speak. Preach the word. Don't keep quiet. Don't keep silent. Continue saying it. Preach it loud. Goya, Tiembu, shout it. Scream. Do anything. I give you the mantle. Continue here. Then, the leadership, DOS. Why would it be that? Finland came. Go and register. Go and take oath. It doesn't matter. What matter is, are you talking? Are you talking? And as a leadership, Who will be with the money? Who will be the secretary? Who will be this? I am the leader. I am Baba. It's not about the leader. There is only one leader here. You are a servant. Go and sit down. Being a leader doesn't mean you take the wisest decision. Sometimes you got it wrong. And when you get it wrong, admit that you are wrong. And don't shut anybody down from telling you that what you're doing is not right. This is not just your group of company. This is all about the people we're talking here. We're talking the entire Biafra land. I am Onowibo. I am not the one that killed the children of Biafra. When one Biafra dies, I have died. We died so many times daily. Anya bebe, Imia bebe. I know how many people who have died so far more than you because I keep records. Yes. Every day one Biafra died, it touched you. Part of you have died also. So when I cry, I am crying because there is no life remaining in me. It doesn't matter your position or wherever you are, whatever position you are holding an organization. I am talking about me that's dying every day. I am silenced. I am hushed that I cannot speak. My security was taken. I have nothing left. All they are telling me here is we will release on Sundays for people. We have a sit down on Sunday that Christians are the only ones who can go and pray. And I came out and tell you, no, this has no fundamental in our Igbo-ness. We are people that has a root. We didn't fall from sky. We sprout from the ground. We must not only observe that of a borrowed religion. Let us look downwards because that will help us. It will be a catalyst to what we are seeking for. People who you keep there in the governance, they all swore an oath with the Bible. And today they are still killing you, promising you heaven that will come. But you know, man, come and swear with Ofona, you will run away. I am now telling you that we are supposed also to observe Nkwo. Everybody knows what Nkwo stands for in Igbo. Ikuku bulufa, Nkwo is ikuku. Ikuku bulufa bu ndi ojo. Ikuku bulufa notu. Debela anyi mbosia. You say I'm not making sense. It doesn't matter. My guy, before you are a Christian, before you became a Christian, I must tell you the truth, whether you like it or not. Some people say, leave him. He's just looking for followers. Okay? I'm not looking for followers. If I'm looking for followers, you'll be seeing Christian advert here. Everybody will come here and advertise. I know what I stand for. I am not begging for followers. I have made followers before you even know me. It's not about followers. You think it's about making 10,000 people follow you who are still sleeping? I'd rather go with 1,000 who are awake. So that when I speak, it will fall deep into their ears and they will assimilate it and understand. Not 10,000 fools. You don't want to make, you want to make fans. No, it's not about that. What do you stand for? I told you, Biafra, leave me alone. Leave me alone, Biafra. When I wake up for Biafra, will you stand it? Will you stand it? Do you know how many people that was killed in my village? Do you know? These people targeted my town on Nkwo Day. When the entire town, when I tell you my town, I am from Okija. Okija is too big. 30 villages. Ihiala, that is made the headquarters of your local government where Okija fell into. Ihiala has just 10 villages. Okija is 30 villages. Imagine, during that war, everybody came to buy and sell on Nkwo Market Day. These enemies, with their plane, they dropped a bomb in that market to destroy us. But thanks to Olasio Okija, Olasio Okija held it down there. It did not explode. Till date, go and make inquiries and see if I'm lying. The same way, you count and count and count the entire length and breadth of Biafra land. This is how it happened. And I'm crying. Do you know what it means to stay without drinking water? My people, when they were being killed and slaughtered in the north, they ran to the Bayero and said, they began to mock us till this day. Nyamiri. This is how we got our name, Nyamini. Are you not ashamed? We are one step close to our freedom. You are telling us, go back three steps to go and start all over again. And when I say, I am not okay with this, you come out to defend what? Are you mad? You think you can curse more than me? What are you cursing for? What are you fighting for? You want to go and vote who? Those ones who has continued to suppress you. How many of them has condemned the police killings in Anambra State? How many of them? How many of them has condemned the killings going on in Anambra State? How many of them came out to speak when we are talking about police brutality in Anambra State? Did any of them speak? Where was Soludo? This guy of APC, Sandioba, where was he? This one of PDP, Ozibo, where was he? When all this was going on? The only man that came out during the protest was only Fanyoba. Yes, everybody saw that. After that again, go to court. Don't, okay, they say, don't campaign. If you want to stand for election, go to Abuja, go and see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He went there. He's the only one ever that went there. I must give credit to who deserves it. None of these people have ever made a step to go for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's release, apart from that Ifeanyi Ubah, a senator. They disgraced him. Even we, our brothers, disgraced him. Where were the rest? They were not there. The same demand you made, Ifeanyi Ubah, if you want to stand for election, go and bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He went to court to get an injunction in order to go visit him. He went there. The DSS could not allow him. He made a step. He tried. These ones you want people to go and vote. What did they do to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Did they do anything? They didn't. When I wanted to sell Ifeanyi Ubah to you, you said no. We don't want election. I now stand, okay, we don't want election. You turned around. You do them na million back. I mean, even you are telling me no today in Anambra State, but the bee will sting you till tomorrow. May election can go in any bro. Yabala and the Jai or Diwanum. Abra Diwanum has no role to play here. The role now, Bungiwagi plays here. Diwanum is watching you. Even in a focatabu nature, are there to serve your purpose. You now say no, I've always told you, I had rather, I don't say fine. We give command, they do our biddings, whatever we want. Even in a foloketa name exist, they are there for you. Take advantage, subdue, take over. Send the bees, send them a message. We have thunder, send them a message. We have rainmakers, send a message to them. Everything will start happening. And my one, if they destroy our ideology. You cannot think like a real Igbo man. What do you think made people to be afraid of you? It's because your ancestors are wiser than you. I don't think you have any DNA to prove you are Igbo man. You don't know what it means to be Igbo man. That's why each time I talk about Igbo-ness, whenever I talk about our culture, it doesn't sit well with you. You keep bringing this foreign ideology. You think you know it more than me. You don't know it more than me. I can wear designers. After all, you can see what I'm wearing. He still did not take out the Igbo-ness in me. Look at the shame. It has nothing to do with Igbo. But what makes me Igbo is inside. It's right inside. It's not what you're seeing on the outside. Outside doesn't matter. Looks can be deceptive. But who are you? Are you Igbo? Or you are Biafra? What are you? Once you go Biafra now, you have moved, you have taken a step away from where you are. You want to accommodate many people now, which means joint ideologies and whatever, which might even make you not to be original anymore. But then, wherever you are, still show you are that Igbo man that can make a difference in any situation. The situation has come to your doorstep now. Take that decision. Let the world see what the Igbos can do in a situation like this. People will make reference with it in the near future. Your children will say, yes, we have a resolute fathers who spoke and stood their grounds. All these women who are showing their faces on social media talking nonsense, go back to 1950s and see what Aba women did as the real Igbo blood. Not talking nonsense. Oh, talking about nude. Ha ha ha. Her nude is here. Her nude is there. You are talking rubbish. Go and be Igbo. Igbo the useful. Go and be useful to yourself. Aba women says, enough of this taxation. No. They protested. Aba women riot. Famous, you know it. How many of you can say we can do this? There are still women who can still do it. But now that Iroko has fallen, though not fallen, because the sun will surely rise again. That is the assurance I'm giving you. The sun shall rise again.